There is a phase every powerful soul goes through, a phase most people misunderstand, a phase that feels empty, confusing, heavy, and strangely quiet. It's called the silent phase. And if you are in it right now, this message is for you because the silent phase is not punishment, it's not abandonment, it's not a failure. It's the universe preparing you for your biggest breakthrough. See, before the universe shifts your life forward, it first shifts you. It slows everything around you so that you finally hear what you have been ignoring. It removes the noise, the distractions, the wrong people, and the old version of you that aren't allowed to walk into your next chapter. You may think nothing is happening, but everything is happening. Your silence is not empty, your silence is construction, your silence is alignment, your silence is the blueprint of your next level forming behind the scenes. People don't tell you this, but it's true. Before every major blessings, before every elevations, before every financial breakthrough, before every spiritual shift, life goes quiet, opportunities slow down, people pull away, your motivation dips, your routine collapses, your emotions get louder while the world gets quieter. It feels like the universe pressed pause on your entire life. But pause is not the end, pause is preparation. Think about it. Right before the sun rises, the world gets the quietest. Right before a bow launches an arrow, it pulls back the hardest. Right before a seed breaks the soil, everything looks still on the surface. Stillness is not death, stillness is transformation, and you are transforming. Some of you right now feel disconnected from everything you once loved. Your old habits don't fit anymore. Your old friendship feel out of alignment. Your old dreams don't excite you. And the life you once tolerated suddenly feels too small. That's not depression. That's not failure. That's your soul outgrowing your old reality. The silent phase forces you to sit with yourself, not to judge yourself, but to meet yourself. It teaches you who you are when no one's watching. It reveals which desires are genuine and which were rooted in insecurity. It shows you which relationships were real and which were convenience. It exposes what was draining your energy and what deserves to follow you into your next chapter. But here's the part most people miss. The silent phase is always followed by acceleration. Life speeds up the moment the universe finishes rearranging your path. One day you will wake up and your energy will feel lighter. Your purpose will feel clearer. Your blessings will arrive faster. Your path will open wider. And the things you prayed for will begin appearing effortlessly. And you will think it happened overnight, but it didn't. It happened in the silence. It happened when you thought nothing was happening at all. The universe wasn't ignoring you, it was upgrading you. It was removing what blocks your blessings. It was positioning you for what you asked for. It was aligning people, places, opportunities, timing, and you. because you can't receive the breakthrough if you're still holding on to the identity that would not know what to do with it. So, if life feels quiet right now, if you feel paused, lost, confused, or stuck, breathe, slow down, stop fighting the silence, walk into it. Because silence is the universe saying, hold on, don't move, I'm building something for you. It's saying you're close, don't quit, don't panic, don't go back. It's saying your breakthrough needs you calm, aligned, and present. Your silent phase is the sign that your breakthrough isn't far away. It's close, closer than you think, closer than you feel, closer than you fear. And when it finally arrives, you're going to look back at this quiet period and realize it wasn't the end of your story, it was the chapter that made everything else possible. So listen, you're not being punished, you're not being prepared, you're not forgotten, you're not losing. You're being positioned, you are leveling up. Your breakthrough didn't disappear, it's gathering momentum, it's aligning, timing, people, opportunities, and the new version of you who is already ready to receive everything you once thought was impossible. If you're hearing this is your confirmation. Your silent phase is almost over. Your next chapter is already written. Your breakthrough is already on the way. Type I am ready for my breakthrough if you feel this. Your silence was never empty, it was scared, and soon you will understand why.